I deal with every day. Good morning, you guys. It's about 7:30 in the morning. I got asked by one of you, when was I gonna vlog again? I haven't done a vlog in a minute. And to be honest with you, if you haven't realized, I haven't really been flying a lot this month. I've pretty much been sick most of the month. I've been having a lot of respiratory issues. We are basically gonna be vlogging today, but it's going to be a vlog day of a day in my life when I'm not flying. And first things first, we're going to the doctor's office. Yay! Oh, seriously not fun, but I have to do it. They're doing a follow-up appointment for the medications they've had me on in the last 2 weeks. Also, you guys, I should be getting a car mount in here very, very soon. Today. It's supposed to come in today. I can't think. My brain doesn't think, and I haven't had my coffee yet, if you can tell. It's full. But without further ado, let's get on to the doctor's office. Just got here. It's 7:48. I'm early to everything, but the problem is they don't open until 8 o'clock. So at 8 o'clock we'll go inside, but until then I kind of wanted to just give y'all like a quick update and also kind of explain like what's going to be going on. The sun is beaming in today's vlog, but also like in the next couple months. For starters, my husband is going to a tattoo convention this weekend in West Virginia. So we're gonna be getting him ready for that later today. And then I have to drop him off at 4 in the morning tomorrow. That's gonna be going on his part. On my part, I'll be fine again in a little less than a week. I did quickly say in one of my videos about how I did not get my transfer, which is true. So I did not get my transfer request. It was not awarded, and honestly, it doesn't look like it's gonna be awarded this month either, which means I will still be based in Charlotte in November. But the problem is I'm not going to be living in Charlotte. So we are moving to Dallas come early October. We're both super excited, but that is going to make me a commuter. I might transfer bases, maybe LA or something. I don't know, we'll see. We don't know. We will still have the house up in Charlotte through the end of October. So I might be air mattressing it in our house, even though we're gonna already be moved down to Texas. We have not decided on a house. There was one that we really like, but we don't know if it's gonna still be available. So you might get to go house hunting with me. We'll see. I'm gonna go inside and get ready for this fun old doctor's appointment. Woo! Okay, you guys, we are as good as gravy. So pretty much just gotta keep doing what I'm doing. So anyways, gonna head back to the house now, and then my husband and I love to go to the gym in the, well, we don't love to, we have to because of usually his work schedule, so that's just what we're in the habit of doing. So I'm guessing by the time I get home, we'll probably start prepping up our pre-workout meals and getting dressed, so let's go. Just came home to this beauty right here. Are you done yet?
Not yet.
Are we going to the gym when you're done? Mr. Bubba! Hi! Can you say hi? Hi, buddy. Okay, so while he finishes up fixing the car, your girl got to do the dishes. Wanna wash some dishes? Okay, so I had to stop doing dishes and I got promoted to doing, got promoted to doing car work. Promoted. I've been demoted again, back to the kitchen for me. So I already ate one of these before the doctor's appointment. Now I'm going to eat one of these before the gym. 1.5 fat, 31 carbs, 5 protein. And he gets to eat his donut. Oh, it looks so good.
Takes forever.
You're all crooked. Let's go.
Takes forever.
No, you took forever. He took forever. He took forever. It's like almost 10 o'clock. I think it's 10 a.m. right now.
It's she. It's always she. Hey, buddy.
Hi, come here. Okay, so we're about to stop and get some Gatorades, but I forgot to tell you. He said if I hit 20,000 subscribers, he would do a husband tag video. And we're already over 25,000. So that video is going to be coming soon. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I'll put it right here so you can go follow me. And expect pretty soon that I'm gonna do a poll and have y'all ask me questions so that we can do it in our video. Are you excited?
No.
Yay! For starters, I don't usually wear makeup when I go to the gym, so don't come for me in the comment section, but I already have it on, so it's staying on. I'm also about to take a scoop of this.
That sucks.
It is the worst supplement I have ever bought in my life. If you see this in a GNC, run. But right now it's the only thing I have for pre-workout, so plug and chug. It's so bad. Ugh.
The beat.
I'm 30 years older. It's 10:37. We're gonna go get a workout in. Oh my God. See what I deal with every day? Okay, so we're gonna go get a workout in. I'm not gonna film it, but I will catch you guys in like an hour and some change. Okay, so just finished working out, sweating quite a bit. So we're gonna head home and make some lunch or breakfast. I'm not really sure. It's 11:37, and then shower and get ready, and then we'll see what else we can get into today. Hi, bud. You know what time it is? Okay, so my husband's making a protein shake behind me, and I'm going to make a little bowl. I have 8 ounces of lean ground beef. This is 96% lean, 4% fat. And I'm gonna do half of the bag of Uncle Ben's ready basmati rice. And then a couple of these just for some texture. And some of this stuff, it's focus, there you go. Some taco sauce hot. It's bomb. Like, I know it sounds weird, but it's so good. It's been like our thing lately that we've been eating. Oh, and one of these. I know it's not super appetizing looking, but it's super good. So this is what I'm about to eat. I think my husband is making breakfast food, so I will see you once I'm done and showered. Just showered, clearly. Then took Bubba for a walk. Probably gonna cuddle and finish getting ready. Head over to the tattoo studio.
Maybe yes, maybe no. You don't know.
Maybe no.
You never know.
I'm gonna head over to the tattoo studio after this.
No.
It's hot. We are on our way to the tattoo studio, finally. We're so cute, we're matching. We're here! That's Ryan. Got all his tattoo stuff situated, ready to send him off for the weekend. And now it's Texas Roadhouse time. Starving Marvin. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm getting hangry.
You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers satisfies.
Those clouds are looking pretty angry. Looks like it's gonna rain. What did you get? Steak and sweet potato and green beans?
Yes, ma'am.
Got chicken and double green beans, barbecue sauce. Just got home. I'm still a little bit hungry, so I'm making a bowl of strawberries and blueberries with some coconut milk, Ready Whip. Yeah, and then I'm going to go over and stop. And then I'm gonna go over and start trying to drop and change my trips. Looks like it's about to storm really, really bad, so it's pretty dark outside and windy. I'm so disappointed. You don't have anything else, huh?
Here's some coconut whipped cream on the screen. You can lick it off.
Sugar-free chocolate syrup instead. So we're gonna chill and I will see you back later. Buddy, Bubba, come here. Are you wet? Got a blow dryer. Somebody got rained on. Good boy, come on, let's get dry. So basically, y'all may remember this dog right here.
It's she. It's always she. Hey, buddy.
We have caught him like 3 times outside of his gates because our next door neighbors just leave him outside all day long in the heat and then leave the gate wide open. Well, this time he has managed to make it inside of our house during the storm.
It's funny to play with a dog with teeth.
Oh, he has teeth. Ours does not. I guess he came up to the bed because I left the treats on here. Hi, bud. Did you make yourself a home? You didn't want to be in the storm anymore? Let me see your new toy. Come on, show me your toy. Look. Look, where is it? Okay, you guys, the dog is back over next door. I had to have a polite discussion about how the dog cannot stay outside in the heat and the rain, and it's our 3rd time having him in 2 days. Hopefully he'll now be inside their house instead of outside all day long, because that's just not right. But anyways, it's about 7:15. My husband's gonna have to go to sleep pretty early because we have to be up at 4 a.m. to get him ready and send off to the convention. I'm probably gonna go downstairs and watch our dog and hang out with my husband before he has to leave. If you do like these videos, please let me know in the comment section down below and give this a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you enjoy seeing what I do on a day-to-day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.